X is equal to 1 over 8 or X is equal to 2.
That's correct. No, you said X is equal to 1 over 8 or X is equal to 2. That is incorrect. SDA, log base. SDA is your question. Log base 5 of x plus 3 log base x of 5 equals 4.
X is equal to 1 and 3.
That is incorrect. Yes, Mankranso.
X is equal to 125 or 5.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. Name the stage of cell cycle at which the following events occur. Name the stage of cell cycle at which the following events occur. Mankranso centrosomes split and chromatids separate.
Anaphase.
That is correct. Tamale. Tamale. Pairing between homologous chromosomes. Yes.
Metaphase. Metaphase.
That is incorrect. Mankranso.
Prophase.
Who is answering? Osewusu.
Prophase.
That is
1. Prophase 1.
That is incorrect. As the packaging stage or the packaging stage of prophase 1 in meiosis. Mankranso. The second ionization energy of calcium is 1,140 kilojoules per mole. Clearly explain the meaning of this statement. Lawrence.
This means that the energy or the minimum energy required to remove 1 mole of an electron from calcium ion is 1,140 kilojoules per mole.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Tamale. Chlorine has a higher electronegativity value than bromine. Chlorine has a higher electronegativity value than bromine. Explain clearly the meaning of the statement. Go ahead, Mohammed.
This means that chlorine has a higher ability to pull electrons onto itself when it is bonded to another atom than compared to bromine when it's bonded to the same electron.
I'll give to you. SDA. The electron affinity of sulfur is negative 200 kilojoule per mole. Explain clearly the meaning of this statement. Osewusu.
This is explained as negative 200 kilojoule of energy is released when 1 mole of electron is added to the outermost shell of sulfur atom to form a negatively charged anion.
I give to you. Preamble to all schools. Find the acceleration of a particle whose position along a straight line varies with time t as given. Find the acceleration of a particle whose position along a straight line varies with time t as given. Mankranso. R into bracket t equals A multiplying, so A multiplying a fraction. This is the numerator. 2 multiplying t over to the 4th power. So t over to is to the power 4. So 2 multiplying t over to the power 4 plus 3 multiplying t, so expression t over to the power 3 minus 5 multiplying the expression t over to the power 2. That's the numerator. The denominator is the expression t over to minus 1, where A and TO are constants. I took my time. Are you ready, Paul? Are you ready with your answer? Tamale, yours is R into bracket T equals A multiplying a fraction with the numerator. 3 multiplying the expression T over TO to the power 3 plus T, the expression T over TO to the power 2 minus 2 multiplying the expression T over TO over the expression T over TO plus 1, where A and TO are constants. Your time is up. SDA, R into bracket T equals A over 12 multiplying the fraction with numerator. 2 multiplying the expression T over TO to the power 4 plus 2 multiplying the expression T over TO to the power 3 minus the expression T over TO to the power 2 minus the expression T over TO all over the expression T over TO plus 1, where A and TO are constants. Yes, Oseusu.
2A on 3.
That is incorrect. So, Mankranso, your answer should have been A multiplying the whole of 12 multiplying the expression T over TO plus 10. Tamale, yours should have been 6A. SDA, A multiplying the expression T over TO. Mankranso, the next one comes to you, but there's a preamble to all school, and it reads, solve the compound linear inequality. Mankranso, 12 minus 2x less than x plus 15 less than 24 minus 2x. Paul, are you going to answer?
-1 less than x less than 3.
I give to you. Tamale, negative 15 plus x less than 2x minus 9 less than x plus 3. Go ahead, Mohammed.
-6 less than x less than 12.
That is correct. SDA, 5 minus x less than 2x plus 11 less than 26 minus x.
Two.
Tamale for a bonus.
-2 less than x less than 15.
That is incorrect. X is less than x less than 5. Mankranso, what is the function of pollen tube in flowering plants?
The pollen tube provides a passageway for the male gamete to move into the ovary to fuse with the tube nucleus or the generative nucleus for fertilization to occur.
I give you 2. Tamale, name the part of the ovule of flowers in which the pollen tube enters the ovule. Yes, Mohammed.
Micropyle.
That is correct. SDA, name the special cellular thickening at the micropylar tip of cyanogens, which plays an important role in guiding the pollen tube into the cyanogid. Anyone? Is the filiform apparatus. Mankranso, the empirical formula of a compound is CH2O. Determine the molecular formula of the compound if its molecular mass is 240 grams per mole. C is 12, O is 16, H is 1.0. Go ahead, Lawrence.
C8, H16, O8.
That is correct. Tamale. A hydrocarbon has an empirical formula of C2H5. In an experiment, 0.20 mole of the hydrocarbon was found to contain a mass of 29 grams. Determine the molecular formula of the compound. C equals 12, H equals 1.0. Hussein.
H25.
That is correct. SDA. An organic compound has the formula CxH8O4. If 0.25 mole of the compound has a mass of 33.0 grams, determine the number of carbons per formula unit of the molecule. C equals 12, O is 16, H equals 1.0. Go ahead, Samuel.
5.
Okay, that's correct. Preamble to all schools. The half-life of a radioactive substance is 5 seconds. Mankranso, find the number of nuclei of the substance that remains in a sample after 10 seconds if the initial number in the sample is 8 times 10 to the power 18. Yes, Lawrence.
2 times 10 to the power 18.
That is correct. Tamale. Mankranso, I'm pleading with you. Your school is the first to answer. When they are done, another school has to answer. Allow them to get their question, okay? Thank you. Tamale, find the number of nuclei of the substance that remains in a sample after 15 seconds if the initial number in the sample is 6.4 times 10 to the power 15. Go ahead, Mohammed.
8 times 10 to the power 14.
That is incorrect. Mankranso.
0.8 by 10 to the power 15.
0.8
by 10 to the power 15.
No, I won't accept that. It is 8.0 times 10 to the power 14. SDA. Find the time it takes the number of nuclei of the substance in the sample to decrease from 9.6 times 10 to the power 10 to 3.0 times 10 to the power 9. Yes, Samuel.
160 seconds.
160
Seconds.
That is incorrect. Tamale. That is correct. That's the end of the first round. Please repeat your answer, Tamale. Repeat your answer.
85 seconds.
Thank you.
It's scary, isn't it? Putting yourself out there. Facing your fears. All you need to do is keep trying and give it everything you've got, because everything you need to achieve the impossible is already inside. So here's to the ones who give 100%. We celebrate.
This advert is FDA approved.
Dano Milk. Go for it.
Here's innovation from Goyle that takes you further. New Gold Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes have been expertly crafted with the latest in liquid engineering technology, highly advanced for modern engines, prolongs oil change intervals, save you fuel, clean, protect and enhance engine performance. The way engines work has become complex, and Goyle has innovated to stay ahead. Expertly crafted lubricants that work excellently with all petrol and diesel engines of today. New Gold Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes. Innovation that takes you further. Goyle. Good energy.
Today, the question is no longer, why do we have problems? But rather, how can we spin those challenges into opportunities? This is the revolutionary mindset we, students here at Academic City, are driven by. Academic City, we believe that the challenges of today are nothing like the opportunities of tomorrow. Hence, we're poised for the future. And so we say,
come join us.
Pakuli.
Yes,
We are eating Batani.
Self-run beer.
Diana was winning.
Brave Kaya. Ow, I'm going to start shouting go down.
As we lead the charge to empower the next generation of future leaders. Academic City University College, redefining university education.
You heard right. We are offering our new and over 26 million existing customers worldwide an absolutely free COVID-19 cover. Yes, absolutely free. A couple of reasons. the satisfaction of knowing that you know we care. It's in conformity with who we are, the core of identity. We have a value of initiative that constantly drives us and to push the bar. We have a mantra, always listening, always understanding, and we back that up. Customer satisfaction is important to us. We have been doing this for over 170 years. We have honored our promise throughout the years. We were there in 1848 during the cholera pandemic, the sinking of the Titanic in 1912 through World Wars I and II, 1918 Spanish flu epidemic, through the decade of the Great Depression, 2002 SARS outbreak. And we certainly have every intention of honoring claims for this 2020 coronavirus pandemic. Hi, my name is Razak Abdul, and I'm the head of customer service here at Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. I invite you all to join the Prudential Life family today.
Before we continue, the biology consultant has been generous enough to ask me to give SDA Bekwai 1 point for their first biology question. So they get 7 points at the end of the round. Tamale Senior High School had 12 points, and Mankranso Senior High School had 17 points. So contestants, we are entering the speed race. Your speed will come in handy here. The questions are coming to all schools at the same time. And so you may take turns in answering. If you are the first school to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. Then a second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they are wrong, they also lose a point. After which the third school would get the opportunity to answer correctly for a single point or lose a point when they are wrong, all within the specified time. Therefore, in this round, as soon as you are ready with your answer, press the bell and I'll give you the opportunity. Please, as soon as you press the bell, I'm expecting your answer. I will not be waiting for you, for your partner to be working out as you read it out for me. I'll move on to the next school. So please, take note. We need to be fair to each other. So we start the second round. All the best to you. Find the solution set of the cubic inequality. The expression x plus 1 multiplying the expression x minus 1 multiplying the expression x minus 2. Yes, SDA.
X is equal to negative 1, 1, and 2.
That is incorrect. Greater than 0. Mankranso.
X is less than negative 1, or x is greater than 1, or x is greater than 2.
X is less than negative 1. That's incorrect. So the answer is, X is said that X is greater than 2, or negative 1 is less than X less than 1. Evaluate 21 to the power 3 minus 20 to the power 3. The answer is 1,261. Find an expression for the general term UN of the sequence 1, 9, 25, 49, 81. Mankranso